Hello everyone, my name's Kez, this is Holly.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel, and today we are in Sapa in Vietnam.
Oh, I thought he was going to do this.
Vietnam! So we only have a few hours left in Sapa, so we're going to head over to Cat Cat Village. Currently we are on Fancy Pan Road walking down, and the views are, Holly, what are the views?
Incredible.
Incredible. They're breathtaking, jaw-dropping, you name it. It's not a very far walk. I think it's about 3 kilometers from Sapa town to Cat Cat Village. So let's continue.
Let's go.
Where have they got a camel for? Well, camels are not native. Poor guy, he's not even tied up. Is he tied up? Oh, poor guy. He's probably got the hump. There's 2 camels. Whoa! They don't look in great shape. That's really sad. Poor guys. They've escaped. The camels have made a break for freedom. Go on, guys. The dogs are after them. They're like, no camels, come back. I can't believe that. They've just legged it. So if you're doing the trek independently, which we are doing, then you have to come to this Tram Ban V ticket station to get your tickets. And the blog that I read was only from 6 months ago, said it was 50 dong, but now it is 90 dong. So Vietnam, hey. Dressed in some traditional Vietnamese garb and get in the nest. Oh, no, is it going to be a no? This place is crazy. There's just amazing spot after amazing spot. What is this? I don't know. The waterfalls are just down there. We're going to try and head down there. Really strange, because as you make your way down further and further into the village, there's just all these little shops that you walk past, but they're all exactly the same. When you think village in Vietnam, you think small, tiny, unique little village, right? But this place is massive. That definitely looks like it's about to sink. Oh, no, it went all over my feet.
Why did you be so heavy-footed?
Did you just swear?
No.
Did she swear? Did she cuss? Is this your favourite little spot that you found so far?
Yeah.
It's amazing, yeah. This is Instagram heaven, right?
Oh, I just said that.
You just said that. I stole your line, I stole your line. What the locals use these water mills for is to smash rice out of its casing. I didn't even know rice was in casing. So that's ingenious in itself, it's pretty cool. I don't think it's the time of year for rice at the moment, so that's why they're not actually doing that. Holly, did they say that they only farm rice once a year? 1 month out of the year they can farm rice. That's crazy. Like I said earlier, there is endless upon endless photo opportunities, and this little, what are these flowers called? It's a flower garden anyway, and you can even climb up onto these things. Holly is doing a great job. No one's stealing that guy's bike. No one is going to steal that guy's bike. What bike? What bike? What bike? I don't know.
Can't see a bike anyway.
I can't see any bike. There's no one. No one's gonna. What bike? I didn't even know what he was doing. I just saw he was like knocking about doing nothing.
A big bush.
Look at those tiny little pigs. Oh god. There was a dog looking after those pigs, and they like jolted past him, and he looked up and he was like, okay little piggy, settle down now. Where we going now, Hall? Where we going? What? Chancing it.
It's a tight squeeze, right?
Oh, this is so cold.
Hey!
If anyone comes up here, if you come up here, it's 2 people at a time. I'm waiting for someone to come up here. As soon as they pop their head up, pop, back down you go. 2 people at a time, I'm sorry. And this is where I die. I made it. FYI, don't worry about me. The waterfall over there is a culmination of 3 rivers flowing into one that leads right down there. There's a river just there. There's a river over here with the bridge that we just came over. And this river over here looks like it goes in between the valley. So like the adventurer, the explorer inside me is like saying, go and walk through the river. I'm not going to be able to do this.
Oh my
Not going to be able to do this properly. I definitely didn't have the correct footwear today to be doing this, but these rocks look super smooth, so I'm gonna try and traverse some tricky terrain and just maybe just get up there. So glad that I had a little wander then. It's so much fun just jumping over rocks, trying not to get wet. And like, it wasn't so bad not having shoes either, but just don't fall in. So I'll be the first to admit that I was a little bit skeptical about coming here today because I'd heard that it was very touristy. And yeah, it is touristy, but there's so much to do, right?
It's a big space.
It's a massive space. We thought it was just going to be like a village in a jungle by a river, but it's not. It's huge. It's amazing. There's so much fun stuff to do. There's like this. I can't talk. There's so much cool stuff. There's random sweet corns knocking about everywhere. Why? I don't know. I don't know. It's a mystery. But it's a fun mystery and we've had a really fun day, right?
Yeah.
It's almost 2 o'clock, so we're gonna get a motorbike that will take us back to Sapa because all that walking downhill, we're gonna get a motorbike uphill. So
Motorbike taxi.
motorbike taxi, that's the thing. 40.
Never experienced it.
No, it's gonna be fun. So we've just met the guy who's gonna take us on a motorbike and he says 3 on 1 bike. How are you feeling about the prospect of getting on there, all 3 of us?
Absolutely terrified.
This is that guy.
Thank you. Burberry?
Oh, Christ. And off we go. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
High five, thank you.
High five.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. That was a handshake. It's fine.
Gonna have to cut
We
that
made it, we made it, we made
out.
it.
It was really safe. Really good.
We are back in Sapa Town, safe and sound. That was so much fun. Like, if you get the opportunity to to do that, do it. It was so cool. Go down and then get the bike back up. It felt super safe and super easy, right?
And it's the only way. If you don't want to walk, you've got to get the bike.
Gotta get a bike. And it was 100,000 for the two of us, so like £3, $4, $5 maybe.
Cut out a 30-minute walk.
Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, please give a like, subscribe. We're off to Ninh Binh tonight, so be sure to check us out in our next video. See you later.
Bye.